More international college students, they are having their visas revoked.
All right, dozens of them essentially told that they can no longer stay here, kicked out of school and possibly the country at Harvard, UMass, Amherst, Clark, and WPI. So this list just continues to grow, Matt. You're at Harvard right now, so what do we need to know about what's happening later to support them?
Yeah, well, Jeff and Lauren, there is a rally happening later today at Harvard Square that's really to address a myriad of issues that are impacting Harvard, and that's happening rain or shine or snow. But back to those visas, one thing to highlight here is that these schools say they are learning of these visa cancellations by just actively monitoring a federal website, and they're not really getting notification directly from the government. So let's look at some numbers here. So take a look at this. We're talking about dozens of visa revocations at schools in Massachusetts, and at last check, 12 people associated with Harvard, 13 students at UMass Amherst, 12 students at Clark University over in Worcester, and 4 at Worcester Polytech, all impacted by all of this. And in these cases, the schools say they were not informed by federal authorities nor given a reason why these student visas were being revoked. Now, administrators at these schools, they say that they notify students when their status changes on that online portal maintained by the Department of Homeland Security, and then they refer the students to legal help to help navigate all of this. Now, a Boston immigration attorney, we spoke with him yesterday. He says in some of these cases, these students are able to point to an event that may have led to their visa being canceled, but in other cases, they feel that they're completely in the dark as to why this happened to them.
There's also students who have nothing to point at. They don't understand why they've been notified by the university that their registration has been terminated. And there's certainly this culture of concern and fear about what to do next.
Now, back to that rally, there is a stand-up Harvard rally happening today at noontime in Harvard Square, and that is as federal funding is at risk, and we're talking about billions of dollars at risk here. So that is to address that concern here in Cambridge. For now, reporting live in Cambridge, Matt Fortin, NBC 10 Boston.
Okay, Matt.